In this video, we're going to talk about the portfolio. I'm going to share with you my current portfolio in Bonefolio and ApeBoard.finance. This is the Shibaswap portfolio and with the berry and the farming information. So I'm going to show you how to do this and how you can read it for yourself as well, because I have the link right below this video, ApeBoard.finance. And as well, you can always go to your own Shibaswap.com and go right to the Bonefolio and see your actually portfolio live. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, right now, things are looking pretty good. I'm at a profit of each one of my pairings right now, so that is a blessing in disguise. And we have $1,000 total in a profit in terms of our farming information. But the website that I really like, I really like this website called ApeBoard.finance. A community member actually, gave me this information, and I just took off and ran with it because it shows me my current value of my stuff. Now, this is not necessarily a completely accurately, but at least give you a rough estimate. Prime example, LEASH versus Bone is probably my best pairing that I have, and it's doing really well because I like the fact it's 79 bones per day. Now, this is just a rough estimate, so don't look at this being like the final cut. It's just a rough estimate. So I like the fact that one day, 79 bones. One day, 79 bones. That feels good. And then 7 days, 555 bones. I'll take that. Now, even if the numbers is off a little bit and end up being 500, I'll still take it, because one of my main goals of this whole thing is still collecting bone, because check this out, bone is moving up. Bone is moving up, and it's up 13% as in right now, July 24th, 2021 of the recording of this video. So when I go back to my actually estimate, my ROI is looking pretty good. I just got to continue being patient and tracking the progress. And do not panic if the price go down. Let's say Bone went down, LEASH and Shiba go down. That's okay. Then that's what I would go into a different type of actually mindset and strategy. I'll go to a different strategy. When that thing goes down, I'm thinking, okay, it's time to go ahead and make some changes here. But anyway, right now things are good as of right now. My next pairing here is Shib plus a Bone. I kind of like this. I do. Mainly because, one, I got some rewards I still need to claim. And two, I kind of like this whole pairing situation. I do. So I'm really excited about the Shib plus Bone. Hold on, let me go actually here. Yeah, this is where I wanted to go. But actually, I like that area too, because I like those rewards as well. But this gives me 9 bones in one day. And if I go back and look at my wolfing area, and this is what I kind of do, I kind of go back and forth, look at what I have. I've got 36. Now, I haven't wolfed out of this in the last couple of days, so this is actually not that far off, even though it's an estimate. But it gives me something to kind of, track and actually kind of work with, at least as of right now, because I'm looking for a Bonefolio to upgrade some of the stuff in there as well, because I'm looking for a Bonefolio to upgrade the berry bone, the berry shib, and the berry leash. So I'm looking forward for them to do that down the road. As of right now, I'm enjoying watching this and actually tracking this progress. Thank goodness a community member introduced me to ApeBoard.finance, and it's really working pretty well. And that's why I'm doing this video, to share with you, track your portfolio. And I want to share with you, being transparent, exactly what I have. $30,466 is my current value. So if I go to the next pairing, this is some of my smaller pairing, Bone with Wrap Ethereum. Man, anything with Ethereum, I am going to take a look at. And also I'm looking at here, not bad, almost 4 bones a day with this exit position. I don't have a lot deposited into this liquidity pool. This is something I just wanted to have to keep for some time, because I want to keep adding bone. And I kind of like the actually pairing with Bone and Wrap Ethereum. So I like that pairing. That's one of the most popular pairings that I see in Shibaswap is Bone plus Ethereum. Plus you got 2 here, Shib with Wrap Ethereum and an E-line with Wrap Ethereum. So that rounds off the farming area. And then also I have $427 of claim rewards to claim. And that's actually feeding off this right here. So this right here, there's some rewards to claim here, the rewards to claim right here as well. And of course, rewards there as well. So I can claim those rewards. I'm kind of waiting on basically those rewards to pile up a little bit more. Then I'm going to whoop it out because I'm thinking about there will be fees wrapped up with that. So I'm already calculating in my mind that each position that I do, I have to account for fees. So I'd rather wait a little bit longer for it can be worth taking out because I know I got fees to be able to pay for. I got to pay for the fees. So down here, what I really like is the burying area. It kind of gives you kind of like the value of what you have. I have 2 billion Shib that's being buried as we speak. So I'm looking forward to those rewards that kind of come in as well, those bone rewards really. And then we have about 13,000 value of the buried Shib. Also, we have bone is being buried. And I like the fact that it's 3,298. I'm looking forward to continue adding more bone down the road each and every single day. Each and every single day. And then we have leash, of course. I think that everybody should really look to try to get a leash. And think about this. You don't have to get the whole leash. You can get a piece of a leash. And I'll come out with a video later on to discuss leash a little bit more farther. But I think leash is one of those things that it's good to have because it's a small supply, and I really believe it's going to be a very important piece in the Shiba ecosystem. I really do. Bone, of course, we're understanding that right now. Shib, of course, is important as well. But leash is going to be important as well to me. So that wraps up our portfolio in Shibaswap with the farming and the burying. And also go back over to our Bonefolio, which is under our portfolio. And that also gives us information that we have profits on all of our positions here, and I'm excited about it. I'm really excited about it, and what's helping our positions that being profit is our bone harvest. We get all these bones that is being harvested, so that's helping us to push over the profit. Because remember, I invested this with all the pairings, that's the value, but look at the bone harvest. The bone harvest puts us over the profit, so it's actually, I think it was a positive move on these type of positions. And I'm excited about the fact that what the burying is going to look like and some of these positions up here, what's going to look like in the future. And I'm excited once again, bone is up. Bone is up now. Bone is up now. Bone. Yes, I'm excited about bone is up. And I really believe bone is going to continue going up. Now, we may have a pullback here and there, but that's okay. That's all right. And because that's part of the whole situation. So thank you for watching this whole video. I really appreciate watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited that things are moving up with Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin, get on up there so we can continue riding this to the top. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. And I'll see you on the next video because this is the place to be for Shibaswap tutorial, beginners, newbies, and more. I'll see you on the next video.